Oh!
You say wait, oh my god.
Hi! I'm Yanai.
I'm Danai.
I'm Kenai.
I'm Danyami. I'm Terry.
And I'm Travis.
Oh, wait.
And
that's Susie.
And we are...
Dream
on
on
Wheels.
Wheels. As you can see, we're Dream on Wheels. And as you've just met our immediate family, we would like to warmly welcome you to becoming a part of our extended family. And the best way to do that is by hitting subscribe, like, and sharing us with your friends and family.
We want everyone to join our journey as we find exciting places, food stops, and discover new drinks. And our RV upgrades, renovations, and repairs.
And as parents of several children with different personalities, likes, and needs, and the struggles we face while trying to accommodate all of them while making sure they become successful adults on this journey, in this lifestyle.
We want the world to know through our story that it's never too late to take the leap and tackle your dreams. Because as you can see, this is our dream.
All right, so thank you for joining us. Be sure to look us up both on YouTube and Instagram and hit those subscribe and like buttons. Bye.
Bye.